welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY cloud slime. Let's get to it. The tools you need for this cloud slime is a fork or different utensil, 2 cups, glue, I'll be using Elmer's school glue, activator, I'll be using Tide, a cup of water, scissors. You will also need food coloring, but you don't have to have this. And if you don't have instant snow at home, then you can have a diaper. And finally, you will need a bucket. Let's get started. To make instant snow, if you don't have any at home, is to first get a diaper and then open it like this. And then get your scissors and cut it at the edge right here. After you've cut it, you can open it and see there's a little bit of fuzz. Take that fuzz out and place it into your cup. Just like this. And then you can add some of your water, like this. Then get your fork and mix it around. And then you can repeat this exact same process. You should have this clear snow, and you can put this clear snow, your cup of water, and diaper to the side, because I will be teaching you how to make the slime portion of this video. For the slime portion of this video, you'll just be needing to make a basic slime, and my slime will be purple. So the first step is to add in your glue. Now put in your food dye. I'll be using blue and red to make my purple. Now mix. Now that I have my purple color, I'm going to be adding in my activator. And only add a little bit at a time so it doesn't become too hard. After you have this consistency, I will be going in with my hands. And now your slime should look something like this, stretchy and soft. You will now need your bucket, your snow, and your slime. So the first step is to get some of your snow and place it into the bucket. And then get your fork and spread it around like this. And after that, get your slime out, stretch it out, and then place it in yours, and then mix it up like this with your fork. After you think some of your snow is in your slime, you can take your slime out of the bucket and mix it with your hands. Like this, And you can see how it feels a little crunchy, and you can start to see how it's getting a little bit more stickier. So if it starts to get a little bit more stickier, add in a little bit more activator to your slime. So place it back in your bucket, and then add more snow to it. And repeat this process a couple more times. As you can see, my slime is really sticky, so I'm going to be adding in a little bit more activator. And just mix after you've added more activator. And if you still feel like you need a little bit more activator, you can still add some. So this is the product after mixing in all of my snow. And now the final step is to let it sit for an entire day. This is the final product after a day of waiting. It's so soft, so stretchy, and it's really cloudy, and I really like this slime. It's really cool. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!